This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
This season of Road Warriors, we have 12 teams that go head-to-head. Points accumulate over 11 rounds. Have you got what it takes to become the champion?
Road Warrior.
First up, we're not mucking around tonight. We've got Big Sam in that Nascar driving for Mark D of CRC Racing, and Jay Woodsy Woods in the Blackfire driving for Power Drive Racing. Big Sam's on 10 points and the Blackfire's on 7. Can't wait to see what these guys get up to. Let's head to the start gate. We've got the green, they're off and racing, and the Nascar's right out front. He's got nice pace going into turn 2. Looks like he's got this one sewn up. A very easy win and a 9.340. I say it, each week the Nascar races, it looks great on the track and really loves the fat track. Let's have a look at this replay. You can see the battle was won and lost there. Woodsy goes up high, he's all over the shop, and that's left it wide open for Big Sam. Mark D has to be happy with Big Sam's performance behind the wheel of that Nascar. Here we go, race 2. Cars always swap in race 2, and the Nascar's going out hard again. Jay Woodsy Woods takes the lead. Looks like he's got this all sewn up. No, there's some savage blocking, and he comes in backwards and a 10.460. Well, that's one way to win a race, I reckon. Woodsy had the get-go out of turn 1. Very nice pace down the back. And just loses it right there. Backhand just spins out. Race 3, this is a tie break. Waiting for the green. We've got green and we're off and racing. The Nascar's right out front. Here comes Woodsy Woods. Oh, Woodsy's going to steal the show right here. Got some beautiful pace. He's got to take the Nascar, that's for sure. And an 8.94. Battle 1 with a big upset, the Blackfire with Woodsy Woods behind the wheel. Steals the limelight off the Nascar. You can see the battle was just lost there by the Nascar. Poe Boy Racing is sitting on 9 points, and Yo Jimbo, driving the Murder 8 for Super Zero Racing, is sitting on 6 points. This will be very interesting. 97 grams versus 101 grams. We've seen some nice form lately of Yo Jimbo and the Murder 8. Can he keep this run up tonight? Poe Boy has the inside. And we're off and racing. It's the Murder 8 right out front into turn 1. Steals the limelight straight off Poe Boy. Look at the pace he's got. Oh, comes in at a beautiful time of an 8.880. It's crucial to that first turn. You need to really have some good pace, but not too much. Wow, you can see the Murder 8 just blocking Poe Boy, and he just loses all his guts and power right there. That's where most races are won and lost, ladies and gentlemen. This is race 2, yet again car swap. Murder 8's got the inside. Poe Boy goes out hard and fast, has a straight line through that curve. You know, Jimbo's trying to play catch up, and it's Poe Boy slamming all over the track. Coming down the back of Mount Western Straight, I thought that was going to be a fast time, an 8.380. Some sloppy driving right on that home stretch. Let's have a look. Hits that side, still gets across, gets a bit of a bump by his mate, the Murder 8. All tied up, heading into the decider. Poe Boy still retains the inside. The green light's a go, and it's a Murder 8 straight and fast down the back. Look at that line he's taken. Is he going to take the Poe Boy tonight? Oh, he's pulled up. What's going on? Poe Boy hits him hard. That was a very big hit by Poe Boy Racing on that Murder 8. You've got to realise these guys are heavily weighted too. The Murder 8 just pulls up for some reason. Wham, that's a big hit. Let's go again. Swings him around heavily. Poe Boy wins battle 2. These two guys here should battle it out to the death. Superman Dion in Jonah going up against Redline Savage Inc. and Semi Psycho. Superman Dion's currently on 8 points and Redline Savage Inc.'s currently on 9, so they're very close. There's about 20 grams different in weight. That's a lot for these cars. Superman Dion has the inside and he goes out fast and hard. However, it's Redline Savage Inc. No, it's not. It's Superman Dion. Sneaks past him and gets right down the back and through the straight and across the line. And an 8.50. You know you're in true racing form with engine, machine and driver when you can beat Redline Savage Inc. Let's have a look here. Mount Western Raceway, she's a tough course and she's very unforgiving. You hit those sidewalls, she just holds you in her grasp and she doesn't want to let you go. Redline Savage Inc. has the inside, and this Redline, oh, it's nose by nose, I just can't pick it. Superman Dion pushes in front of Redline Savage Inc. and he's going to take him out, another upset, and a 9.040. Superman Dion in Jonah wipes out Redline Savage Inc. in Battle 3. Look at Superman Dion, just goes down low, hits that sidewall but still retains the pace. Leafer 12 driving the Blackjack for BLUELINE Racing, 84.5 grams, versus Hot Car Track in the FM Rover, 119 grams. Both cars have yet to hit their mark in this competition. Hot Car Track is currently on 3 points and Leafer 12 is currently on 5. So, here we go. Leafer 12's got the inside. And it's Hot Car Track right out front, savagely blocking Leafer 12. Hot Car Track's taken the lead, unbelievable. He might actually get across the line, and he sees the finish line on a 10.560. Some savage blocking there by Hot Car Track on the Blackjack, and that just loses power for the Blackjack with Leafer. He hits the sidewall, and Hot Car Track has played his cards right. Hot Car Track is the inside and the green's on. It's Hot Car Track right out front again. Oh, well, they both spin out. Hot Car Track coming in backwards. It's a Leafer 12 for BLUELINE Racing. Gets across in the Blackjack and a 10.24. I say it again, you can have the heaviest and fastest car. It doesn't mean you're going to win. Mount Western Raceway has been designed for all teams of all classes and weight divisions. No one is favoured on this course. Leafer 12 has the inside. Right out front is Hot Car Track. Pushes in front but fails to execute that one again. And it's Leafer 12 driving for BLUELINE Racing. Scores a 9.48 and takes out the battle. Heading into the replay, look at Hot Car Track all over the joint. And Leafer 12 goes right up high. A very sneaky manoeuvre takes out the battle. How good are both these teams performing on the track? The Fractal Panda is currently in first place on 10 points. Jazzy Jensen in the Nissan Skyline driving for NZ Racing is currently on 9 points. There's not much in this. This is Scotland versus New Zealand. I love the look of these cars. There they are at the start gate. It's the first to take out 2. Jazzy Jensen goes out hard and here comes a Fractal Panda. Jazzy Jensen's trying to catch up. Jazzy takes it in the mighty Nissan Skyline. Wow, could this be another upset tonight, ladies and gentlemen? Jazzy Jensen, an 8.980. Fractal just sliding. And look at that little manoeuvre there by Jazzy Jensen. Stylish driving. Cars swap in the second race and Jazzy Jensen holds the inside. Jazzy out front hard, blocks the Fractal. The Fractal's just going to push right past him. And oh, Jazzy Jensen, it's the Fractal. All tied up out of race 2. Not the best situation to be on your side, right down the end line. We'll get the boys from NZ towing onto that. This being round 7 is very tough on these custom cars and the builders. They've had to race at least 14 times each. So, you know, they're all starting to show the wear and tear. Here we go, the Fractal has the inside. And they're off and racing, and the Fractal just goes out fast and hard and takes that turn 1. Jazzy's trying to play catch up and Jazzy slides. And it's the Fractal. He crosses in a 9.180 and he takes out the battle. The top speed of this course is around about 8 seconds, so there's not much in it from top to bottom. You hit those curves with lack of power, there's game over. This is the final battle, ladies and gentlemen, for the night. We have Cess in the Autometer driving for Metal Mania 3D. Cess is currently on 7 points, and Scoop Adams driving the Royale with cheese. He's driving for 100 Proof Racing and sitting comfortably on 5 points, and that's 5 points behind the leader. The leader's on 10 points. Cess has the inside. Go the Dado. I have to say that because I'm an Aussie. The Dado's struggling, coming in backwards. Can it hold on the pace and take the win? Cess crosses. She does in a 10.320. I don't like cars coming in backwards, but a win is a win. And and you really need every win you can to go further. Scoop Adams actually picks a nice line here, goes down low, but he just gets blocked by Cess. Royale with Cheese has the inside. Both off to a clean start. It's neck and neck into turn one. Cess has the advantage down the back. Looks like she's going to take this out. She's hitting the sidewalls, and the Royale with Cheese just takes her right on the line. How many races have we seen won and lost almost on that finish line? Let's have another look. Cess is doing some big 360s. And the Royale with Cheese coming in backwards. Battle 6, all tied up. Royale with Cheese has the inside. They're off and racing. The Royale with Cheese, Scoop Adams behind the wheel, spins. Here comes Cess. Looks like she's going to take this one out. Royale with Cheese trying to catch up. And it's Cess. Cess from Tasmania. She takes it out in the autometer in a 10.40. We are so privileged here right on Mount Western Raceway and Road Warriors to have some of the best builders in the world race on this track. And these two cars are going head to head, trying to take out a win. It's hard, the Fat Track. She'll take you into her grasp and she won't let you go. But it's Cess who takes it across. And there's Scoop Adams, just gets hung up again on that side rail. We've seen that happen before. The Fractal Panda on 12. Big Sam and Poe Boy both on 11. Jazzy and Superman Dion on 10. Redline and Jay Woodsy Woods and Cess on 9. Yojimbo on 7. Leafer on 7. Scoop Adams on 6. And Hot Car Track on 4. Round 8 next week, folks. Catch you later. These events don't happen without our sponsors, so go check them out on all their social media platforms. Give them a thumbs up or make a comment down below.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom diecast racing.